Hello fellow engineers and welcome back to Polybridge 3. Now last time we started on this world, the Rolltop Avenue 4 sheep difficulty. Not gonna lie, these are actually really difficult. So thankfully I've just come off having a weekend off, which was only possible because of the new Mega Edit Mondays we've had. So thank you if you've been watching those Mega Edits. Really appreciate the time off. But I'm feeling refreshed. I'm feeling brain powered. I'm feeling, oh no, are they movie things? Hang on, let's press play. Oh no, there's movie things at the bottom. I'm suddenly feeling less refreshed. So yeah, it looks like we got to get a car from here over this gap to here. We've got 9 pieces of road and our only supports are underneath here and they all move about like, oh no, they just move up and down. Okay, we could maybe do up and down. Oh no, we've only got 8 pieces of steel and the rest is springs. What? What is this level? Okay, first things first, I guess let's just put like a point in there and then see how far 9 bits of road gets us. I'm not convinced it's going to get us all the way. It gets us to there. It gets us to there. So there's a little bit of a gap. I reckon though, if we just sort of like aim up a bit, we should be fine. But yeah, I also imagine we probably want to disconnect all of these from each other because the pillars they're on, because we got different shapes underneath. Like we've got an eyeball, we've got a location marker, and we've got a sideways. So yeah, I guess we do this in sort of different styles of bridge. Now the question is, do these all drop? I think they all actually move up, right? So if we just slow it down a bit, when we press play, yeah, look, they're all going to move up. Okay, I guess we might be able to see as well. When the car gets to there, we're at the bottom. So then it will raise up, which means this is the level we want to do. And as the car drives across, the car will be higher up. So then we'll figure out what to do next. Steel is 450 a meter. Springs are a lot less, but they are springy.
Really?
Can we do some sort of trussy thing like that? Is that overkill? Is that even going to work? Hang on, let's turn up the... Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's really leaning to the right. So if I do that, it's over to the left. Yeah, unfortunately, because it is on a spring, it's sort of delayed. So we may... Oh my goodness, needs to start a bit lower. That did not work. All right, but doing that as my first... That... Oh my goodness, it's upside down. Oh, but... Oh, no, that's quite good, actually. Okay. I'm literally thinking we use down here to our advantage. If I were to start my road from down there and just go straight up, do we think car could make it? Because that could actually be incredible. We do a sort of truss like that, then try and balance this on springs. So something like that. I've connected it at the bottom as well. So that shouldn't move anywhere. It does look quite steep, though. But yeah, car lands down there. Oh no, then it's upside down. This may work. It may get onto its wheels. Oh no, it's gone underneath. Oh no. Yeah, right. I've stuck that lower. So hopefully if we get a bit of luck. I mean engineering. A bit of engineering. Then yes, we land on our wheels. But then we've just got to drive up. Oh no, it's struggling. Oh dear. Okay, so I've done a few tweaks. I've made this a lot flatter. If we just watch this like sped up, you can see the car does eventually make it to the top. Yes. Now, we got 2 bits of road remaining, so I guess all we do is just extend these out like that. Then hopefully if we just add that... Oh, no. Oh, I forgot about that. Maybe if we go, like, underneath in a truss, maybe that will... Oh, no. Look at the end flopping around. I mean, that could bounce it up. No, I'm not convinced of this idea. I might just have to delete that. Oh, do I want to delete it though? Yeah, I'm going to delete. I'm going to attempt to do like this the whole way across. So looking at the budget, we're pretty similar here. So if you can pass to that one. Nice. Oh no, it's just eating it. Don't eat it. It's like a worm. Right, but then we pass to this one. And then I'm thinking maybe because we don't have any momentum here, we do just want to try and like attach those together. Oh my goodness. Maybe with some springs underneath and on top a little bit. Yes, that's all one structure now. This could work. This could work. Oh, it didn't work. Right, I'm actually thinking maybe I get rid of that truss and just put my supports underneath. Because then, yeah, that stays way flatter. Oh, we're quite close. We are quite close. If I can just raise up this end, perhaps. Come on. Come on. Oh, so close. All right, well, after a whole load of tweaking, I think with... Oh, no. Anyway, as I was saying, after a bit of tweaking, I think we're there now. So that drives up and then... Oh, look at that jump. Forward roll to the flag. What did we spend? 44 grand. That's pathetic. I'm only in the top 40%. People did this for 11 and 12 grand. What? Well, I think it's time to have a look in the gallery. Let's have a look at the lowest budget. Okay, so 15 grand is the cheapest one we can see. Oh, look, they did the ramp at the end. That's what I tried to do, but I didn't have the patience or the know-how. Yeah, so the way these work, it's all about making something to catch down there, which, yes, is a lot cheaper than my, like, big structure thing. But then it was just building a ramp from the end, which I did try. To be fair to past Matt, we did try and do a ramp. We just weren't able to pull it off. Meanwhile, if we have a look at the highest budget, what have we got here? Oh my god, they made a bridge that doesn't move. What? Hang on, how doesn't that move? Oh, look. Oh, they put foundations in. I didn't know there was foundations on this level. Wait, there wasn't cable. What's going on here? Someone cheated. All right, this is someone that definitely hasn't cheated. They've used very efficient engineering. Very efficient. Nice one, Paolo's. Oh my god. Why are they so bongy? Have you sped up the... That must be sped up. Oh my goodness. Alan! Alan! Too much, Alan! Username checks out. GC Driller with a massive drill on the right there. Not sure what sort of drill bit that is. I've never seen one like that before. But cheers to the RC propaganda. This one... Oh my goodness. What is going on down... Oh, I see what's going on down there. I was like, why are there so many springs over the weights at the bottom? Yeah, I see why. All right, this one. Oh, look, we've got like, we're touching tips. I'm not sure if they're structural or not. But yeah, basically just super bouncy level. That's actually quite a cool level. Really quite tricky in my opinion. Thankfully though, we're on to the next one. Nowhere and back. We got 70 grand, pretty much all the materials. And oh no, we got hydraulics. We got hydraulics. So where does this go? Oh, it literally goes nowhere and then back. Oh goodness. Okay, I feel like we might need the one foundation we're given here because that's a hell of a cantilever. And not only that, there's a giant cruise ship that's going to go in the way, so we can't even cantilever this really. I mean, we could. We definitely could. I mean, I could just for the banter, but it's not about could, it's about should sometimes. Sometimes in these sorts of games, it's not about could. So yeah, that goes all the way over to there, which is lovely because it means that we can put our road all the way over to there as well. So if we go from there and we go boosh, 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 like that. I have a feeling we may need some extra road because I guess as it turns around, it might just plop off the edge. But yeah, the trouble with this, if we were to like support these muscly bits like that, then as soon as that boat comes, they break, entire bridge collapses. Now we could build a truss around this ship, so it could look something like that, and then we've just got to like lift these up with drawbridges or whatever. The trouble we've got is we're already over budget, and I imagine if I were to press play, yeah, that fails anyway. So I think it probably makes more sense to actually use a foundation. I know, shocking. I think this is the first level where I feel like it's actually needed, or am I just letting everyone down if I use a foundation? I've gone this far without using a foundation, I think. If I use one now, am I even a real engineer? I mean, probably. I probably am. So let's put in this side first. I reckon we do this as far as we can. So we got 3 pieces like that to there. I mean, going down to there makes more sense, actually. Or does it actually? No, I think maybe... Yeah, well, let's keep up there. And I say that because we want the truss work underneath so that that can be a wall brace like that. So if we put that in, does that hold? No, it doesn't quite hold. We may need to put some road under there because road is a little bit cheaper than steel. Yeah, that should be fine. So then from this point, we then want to get down to here. So I reckon let's just curve it. I think what I said before is probably right in that we need like a turning area. So I should probably build with all that in first. You can see this side we're just to the right. I mean, I can probably, if I move all this to the left a little bit, then I can put that there, which means just this middle bit has to get moved out the way. And the shorter that is, the better. So I'm going to probably put my foundation like probably over this end or maybe in the middle. I don't really know, actually. I think maybe in the middle makes more sense. And if we do that, and that, can I reach up to there? Yes. Can I, if I do that and that? Yeah, nice. So this side of the bridge is resting on that node, which is resting on the pillar. Might be able to get away with that over this side. May need to use like down here instead though. But yeah, over this side, I'm thinking we do that on top. And if we just raise that up so we have some base. So hopefully that's good. We can then hydraulic this out the way, hopefully. Oh, actually, I'm looking over here. I'm thinking maybe it'd be a better idea to hydraulic this up. Like maybe something like that could work. So let's just see how badly this fails as it drives down. Yeah, it fails pretty badly. That's fine though. We'll just replace some of this wood with steel till it works. Right, so that works perfectly. Stress went high, but then that side. The side I've got to move out the way, of course. I mean, ideally, that hydraulic wants to be over here. It can't be over there, though. Oh, no, it can. It can be further over, because I've just realized we move that out of the way after, don't we? Yeah. So as long as this is out the way when the boat comes, like after this is moved, we should be good. So maybe doing something like that could work. That should make the bridge a lot stronger as well. Yeah, stress nowhere near 96 that time. So then that does go up. Whoa, way too far. Could actually replace that with a bit of a steel muscle. Just delete all those. So yeah, that bit goes up. Does it go high enough? Oh no, to avoid the boat. Yes, that's why I had a hydraulic down here initially. I guess we just extend that rather than 50%. We just do a little bit less just to get some slightly extra height. Too much. Actually, I've been trying this for a little bit. It's not really working. I'm thinking if I under truss this and then bring this down, it'll be a lot easier to push back up, if that makes sense. So something like that. So that goes down. Oh, that was actually quite close to working. Okay, so if I lower that, that should lower all of this. Oh, almost by enough, but not quite. What if I move this road down a bit? Oh, that's good. Oh, that's actually good. Have I done it? Have I done it? So can it lift back up to the same height? No, it can't. Oh, that is the downside. Sometimes when you do hydraulics back up, they struggle to like lift as high as they want to go. So let's just watch when we get to that side, this node, as it breaks apart. I was hoping that this like dropped, but it didn't. Anyway, as you watch this come back up, oh, it doesn't get high enough. This side also explodes as well. But is that just because they're not connected? Maybe. What if I just tweak that to be a bit more like upright? Okay, this is stupid, but I may need to just add a tiny little node on there. Contract by 1%. First phase, don't do anything. But second phase do. So basically, once the boat has gone, as that goes up, this node has lowered. And then it locked in, but that still exploded. Okay, so we will just replace that with steel. I reckon this could actually work now. So keep an eye on this. Nothing happens. But look, once the boat passes, did you see that lower a little bit? That just means this doesn't have to push up quite as far. Oh no, the force in the other direction. Okay, I guess we just make these trusses bigger so that this bridge is stronger. That does mean doing a bit of that, which probably means this won't lower to the right place than it's out the way of the boat. Yeah, called it. So I've done a little tweaking. That gets out the way, but look what happens here. And let's turn the stress on. This piece, oh, it's not happy and it explodes. Bridge stays up though, but yeah, we may need to replace that. I mean, can I get away with road? I'm going to imagine not, because road is heavier and a heavier bridge means probably not as strong. And we'll fast forward as the boat comes past. So as this comes back up, oh no, we're good. We're good. What about the rest? The one next to it might pop. Oh no, we're good. We are actually good. 46,267 quid. Oh, top 7%. That's not too bad. Oh, look who's in the top 9. Alan. Oh, I'm 104th in the world. I think we're going to take that. No shaving today. I've got a beard after all. So the cheapest solution. Oh, it's only 10 grand cheaper than mine. That's actually not that much cheaper. So, oh yeah, 2 hydraulics on that side. What does it connect? Yeah. Oh, it goes down like mine. Okay, so I think I was actually on to the right sort of solution. I just did it very inefficiently. So did anyone do it without a foundation? That is what I want to know. It does not look like it. Okay, what if we go to the highest budget? Do we have any non-foundation ones? Oh, does this one have... Oh, it does have a foundation down there. Cheeky. Oh, it's the Nifty sponsored solution. Nifty, for when you want your RCE propaganda to be vertical on the side of a building. Warning, Nifty does not endorse the use of RCE propaganda in public spaces unless you're wearing merch from realcivilengineer.com. Aha, yes, we have some... Yes, look at this. Oh my goodness. No way. Oh, that's so clever. I was going to say, we definitely have some non-foundation solutions. So look, that drives to the end. You can see all the weight of the road there. And then it just lifts up and brings it back. You only need to get out the way of the boat. No, we got another one here. Oh my goodness. Strikey, that's incredible. So we've got this like ground anchor under there. Obviously enough room for the boat to move once that lifts up out the way. Whoa. These are cool. Then we got one over here by Lazy Comet. Yeah, can you see like that where my mouse is? I think there's a cable that goes all the way down under like the level, under like the bottom of the world as a support. But oh no, it's just road. It's just a roadway again. Oh, we need to watch that again. Right, so from the start, everything's locked in place. It's literally locked by a joint there. So when it gets to that triggers the joint to disconnect, which drops those roads, and then the weight causes it to fling back up like that other one did as well. Oh, nice. What else we got? Oh my goodness, the triple hydraulic muscle combined with triple cable muscles, double cable muscles, and what is that? Is that like a hept muscle or a sex muscle? That's not. If we want one of those, we should just look at Alan's solution. Oh, I get demonetized for this. But yeah, I've heard about them. I've never seen them in action. I thought they were just an urban myth, an engineering myth. But yeah, you can see literally the only way to do this level without cheaping out on a foundation like this experienced engineer here. Is that experienced engineer or experienced? Did you miss a D? Anyway, looking at this one, that goes like that. Okay, this. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Oh, we got a that man one. I like a that man one. There's usually a wave in there somewhere. And the bridge went upside. Oh, I did like a full, like more than a 360. All right, hang on. What's it, Alan? What is this, Alan? What have you come up with here? So you're over there. I don't understand what happened there. What's this crazy contraption doing? Does it actually do anything? Oh, wait. Oh, it's tensegrity. Is it? Is that what I'm watching? A tensegrity solution. It's like tensegrity, but it's got like spinners. I don't know what. I don't know what I'm looking at. I prefer Alan's normal solutions now. I realize why he does them, so an engineer can understand. Anyway, the next level is called Draw and Discard. So are we playing poker? What's going on here? So we got a tractor. It's got to get to there where it stops. Oh, look, the tractor and that go at the same time, the car. So they both go at the same time. Wait, they meet in the middle and both stop. What's beneath them? Oh my goodness, there's death beneath them. Oh no. Is that death? I don't think that's death. If we press play, does this move up? Oh no, it moves down. Like, I don't know if you saw that, but this like acts as like a gear and like brings that entire thing down. Oh, I think I've just understood what's going on. I think because this is like so much faster than the tractor, that gets to there, then stops. And then as long as you're like connected to the bottom, it's still being lowered while this one's driving over, and then it can drive over the top. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense, but let's get some steel on the go here. So if we just do something like that, just so we can see what's going on, copy that to the other side as well. So I'm going to slow it down a little bit. I think 0.5 speed. So yeah, that goes faster. Oh man, it goes really fast. So yeah, if we just extend this over to the middle for now. So that drives onto there, gets to the stop thing, and then stops, and it's still going down. Meanwhile, the tractor, we just got to raise that up a little bit. So if that gets on where it doesn't explode, yeah, we're good. You can see that stopped. So I think I've just got to do like a sort of ramp over the top of where the car is. So if this actually drives like up, like that sort of thing, then that stops there. This should go over the top. Yes, that's fine. We just need to extend the road over to like there. So then I guess I can just like truss underneath a bit. I mean, we could potentially get away with squares here. Let's see what happens. So it goes over and then stops. Then they both carry on driving. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then they've both got to get to where they want to go. Is there a hydraulic phase? There is a hydraulic phase. Okay, that's fine then. So let me just shove some nodes in there. So shove you in, shove you in. So what I'm thinking, we do a joint there so that this isn't connected to that anymore. I'm going to have to do that so it doesn't fall down. And then on this side, if I maybe swap the bottom one with a hydraulic on expand, maybe that'll bring down the right hand side. Oh no, this is going to be a nightmare. It's going to be an absolute nightmare. So yeah, it stops there. That starts leaning the right way. I mean, actually, to be fair, if that was all road, then that might work. Because look, that goes to that point, and then, oh no, it's been crushed. It's been crushed. What if I just lower that a bit? Oh, and actually, what if I just don't have that expand as far? So yeah, that leans to the right, and that's made like a ramp. So hopefully I can just continue that up to like there-ish maybe. So yeah, over this side, oh, that sort of gets to the right point. Oh, we've just got to get some headroom, which probably means losing those two and making that a expand expansion one just to get the flap. You can then probably just rope those over to that node instead. So does this side work? We've got the headroom, then that does a jump. Oh, it doesn't quite make it. So that broke down there. I think swapping it with a cable might actually be better. So I think it's always in tension. Oh, the cable broke. Well, that's not ideal. To be fair, I can probably just tweak these road bits a bit. Yeah, okay, we made that side. We made that side. We just got to make this side now. I mean, we can either make a ramp that moves. I mean, I'm tempted just to do like that sort of thing. Some might say this is lazy. I say they're probably right. Oh, no, we didn't quite make it. Okay, I think we need one more bit of road that goes a little bit higher, which means we need that and that. That's quite a lot of budget now. That's going to be better, though. Oh, what broke? Did the bridge break? Oh, max stress 100. Okay, what? Oh, it's that blooming cable. Wait, where did it break? Oh, up there. Why does it break this time, not last time? So this left side isn't connected to the right, is it? No, it disconnects. How random that suddenly breaks. Well, anyway, what I may be able to do is just do like a cable like that. Sometimes that fixes these issues. Put in two in. If we watch the stress, we can see how stressed that is. It looks pretty good. Yeah, that did actually fix it. Brilliant. And yeah, right side also good. Tractor's done. I'm not trimming this. I'm not trimming any of these. Now, where do we come? The top 43%. That's quite bad, actually, for a real engineer. Although, to be fair, I'm just a clickbaiter now. I'm a YouTuber. I'm not an engineer anymore. I sold my soul for views. Although, saying that, if you are a patron, you've probably seen my City Skylines 2 realistic city build, where at the moment we're going through your sort of engineering questions and answering them whilst I build a city. So there is actually lots of engineering that I do occasionally. It's just on Patreon, because I know the main channel guys, what they prefer is Alan's solution. Let's not kid ourselves. Let's not kid ourselves. Anyway, this was the lowest budget solution. Oh, did you see that? Oh, hang on. We need to watch this again. We need to watch this again. So look from the very start. Look at that bit of road. It flaps onto the bonnet, so the tractor can go over the top. And then there's just a bit of movement. So on the right, the tractor can go high enough. Oh my goodness, 20 grand. I'm surprised that doesn't break, honestly. So what else have we got for solutions? Oh, it is all about using the car, like as a road. I mean, oh, sense of that. This one, yes. Mini RC propaganda and mini efficient engineering. Little ramp up the front again. So yeah, if you wanted to be clever on this level, it was all about getting the tractor to drive on top. Meanwhile, me with my like dual roads everywhere. All right, anyway, we'll head back to the highest end of the budget. So Pimp Daddy Longlegs. It looks like my solution, honestly. Oh no, they use foundations. They didn't even bother with the falling nodes. Just put foundations in, mate. We got a Paolo's Alan inspired solution there. Then we got, oh, NIF T sponsored solution. Again, double roads. Pretty much my design, basically, just with the RC propaganda, which probably cost like, yeah, getting on for 100 grand. Right, a ghastly. What is that? Is that a snorkel? Is that someone snorkeling? What does it say glug? Glug, glug. All right, I've then got this. What is that? Is that like a teddy bear hanging there? Yeah, we've then got the Linus Tech Tips sponsored one. Ooh, that is nice. Did you see that RC propaganda there? Hang on, let's go back. All right, pause. Look at that. RC That could be a logo that I need to nick, I think. Zephyrus, am I allowed that? Or have you copyrighted like Nifty did? Right, well, anyway, we did another 3 levels. Next time, we got to do the long way. But for now, I'm going to say peace, love, and bridges. Bye, guys.